had a little bit of everything. I mean, fun, good people, great conversations, wonderful ambience, exquisite food, awards and dance presentations, all in celebration of High Chief Dr. Chetachi Ecton Nwoga. The events featured the inauguration of the High Chiefs Foundation Every Life Matters (ELMH), which followed suit with well wishes from all over for a friend, sister, mother, grandmother, and philanthropist.
As she's touching life, may God continue to give her life.
She's a strong woman, and she's compassionate, and she's committed to what she's doing. So I know that she will do much more than she's doing right now.
What's a birthday celebration without the cutting of the cake?
And that's love.
I drive a lot of joy when I give to others, especially to those in need, because I have been in need myself, and my children have been in need themselves. So I know what it is to be poor, I know what it is to be hungry, I know what it is not to have anything.
With so much as entertainment, the highlight of the evening was a special dance presentation for the celebrants. Enjoy.